Hey, and welcome to the video about advanced maintenance now. So we went over how to set up maintenance for drones and equipment previously. But if you're flying with bigger drones that have specific components like motors or landing gear that need to be tracked separately from the drone itself, you can do it like this. So here in this drone, and let's say that this Phantom 4 has a lot of different parts. Imagine that it's like a very big drone. You can select which installed equipment is linked to it. I'll unlink this one. So what you can see here is that there's an oil hose in this drone. But we can add other equipment as well. For example, we'll say that there is a motor that needs to be checked. Click on add. And what you can now do is you can go to the equipment and go to the equipment models and then add maintenance to these equipment parts. And then that way, the different equipment within your drone will be tracked separately um, from the drone itself. So that way you can keep track of the motors. If you have to replace a motor, you can do it this way. And if you want to keep track of it separately. I hope that that makes a little bit of sense. What is this? So what this does is that every time we're going to detect that this drone has done a flight, so every time you're going to say here in the actions, when you click on log, you're going to say, okay, this is the Phantom 4 that I flew with. And IDRONECT is going to know, okay, so we have to add flight time and flights to all the installed equipment that is linked to that drone. All right. I hope it makes sense. And if you have any questions about it, let me know.